PBS NewsHour Weekend returns in a couple of minutes. Now, some Houston news.
Did you know that Houston is home to a vibrant Pakistani community?
It is being said that we have about 125,000, more or less, Pakistanis in Houston alone.
Hi, this is Atiq from Pakistan. I am here in Houston to show you how the Pakistani community is contributing for the development of the Houston.
Few things reflect culture like food, and if you like Tex-Mex, you might wanna give Pakistani cooking a try.
Mexican food uses a lot of cumin, uses tamarind. These things are used in Pakistani food preparation also. There's quite a bit of similarities in Mexican cuisine and Pakistani cuisine. Himalaya Restaurant Houston is famous for its biryani, for its green curry chicken, and it's also famous for its hunter's beef, which is Indian Pakistani style pastrami.
And when it comes to clothing, the Hillcraft Harvan area is home to many Pakistani boutiques.
It's the embroidery that's different from other countries. It's the type of the work, the material that we use for embroidery. It's very intricate. We try to bring whatever is in the latest trend in Pakistan over here to the store.
And food and clothing are not the only Pakistani business in town.
They are in healthcare very well. They are in real estate. They are in convenience stores, distribution of gasoline. These are 4 or 5 different things they found their niche.
Houstonians know Pakistanis as people committed to families, hardworking, and rising.
Some Pakistani social welfare organizations are much active in connecting Pakistani and Houston community.
Our objective is to promote trade between these two cities and largely between two countries, US and Pakistan. We have some other projects under the areas of education where we have linked schools of Houston with the schools of Karachi. We are underway to develop a project under healthcare to maintain a telemedicine partnership between two hospitals, one from here and one from Karachi.
Pakistan Association mission is actually to promote Pakistani culture, Pakistani civilization, and our people here, and that's why we have also Pakistan Center. Pakistan Center was built about 7 years ago. This is the only Pakistani center in the whole North America which Pakistani community have built their own center.
Pakistani medical doctors are also contributing their best for health issues in US.
We provided services to the community here as well as abroad, not only in Pakistan but other countries wherever the disaster happens, and we have pitched in different timings in different disasters all over the world. So APNA is a very productive organization for the community, and also it gives a chance to doctors for different type of education.
How Texas law is providing easy and equal opportunities for its citizens. Former council member of Houston, Masood Javed Khan, has rational view on legislation.
There is several things which are going on. Houston is looking into forming enterprise zones. Texas is looking into forming enterprise zones. Legislatively, I think that one thing which America can do is lift the restrictions on the cotton quota coming from Pakistan, because that is hampering a lot of good stuff which Houstonians can use. It is hampering that stuff to come to America as much as it could. So that is one area where I can see Washington and our Congress can take some action and lift that quota, so Pakistani cotton products can come and we can benefit in America with those products.
For better relationship between the two countries, I also tried to explore business opportunities in Houston.
Well, I would encourage people to go in Texas, in Houston area, in a real estate. You will definitely not go wrong in a real estate, because there are so many refineries are opening up. They had shut down for half of their sizes and things. They are opening them up. There's so much of digging of oil. There are so many people are moving from all over the world to Texas, especially Houston. Houston is the hub. It's the mecca of gasoline and petroleum and digging. So they can buy, I would say for them, either petrochemical or real estate, you will definitely will not go wrong in a real estate development in this area.
How Pakistani women are doing their own business.
Working here as a businesswoman is very challenging and yet rewarding. I moved here like 10.5 years ago, and we started a business like 10 years back. Since then, every year we are growing. We are actually getting, more challenging and more competition here, but it's wonderful. It's more opportunity here in Houston.
You saw in this report how Pakistani are committed for the strengthening of the relationship between Pakistan and the United States.